Hello, I'm Rob with CFS. Today we're introducing a new product. It's a zero clearance fence. This is the Delta Cruzer, model number 262240. I'm going to install this fence, but what I've just explained is I've went ahead and installed the left already to shorten up the video. We're going to go ahead and install the right fence after that. And here we go. In some cases, it requires you to shim the fence because the fence itself, the upper fence in line with the lower, is not square. And if it's not square, our product will solve that problem by simply adding tape to the back side here and making that fence perpendicular 90 degrees. If you don't have the fence perfectly 90 degrees to the table, the saw is not cutting a miter, it's actually cutting the compound miter. And when you're cutting your baseboard, if you want your corners to come out right, you definitely want your fence sitting perpendicular or 90 degrees to your table. So we'll go ahead and put this right fence on here. There'll be a link in the description below of a procedure how to parallel up your fences. There'll also be a link in the description below for this product in the description below. All the hardware necessary with the kit is included, and the Allen wrench necessary to tighten this is included. And so all I would do at this point is I would tighten this. There's a serrated flange nut in the back, so you hold it initially, and then after it starts getting torque, it just pretty much will hold itself and you tighten it up. All the wrenches you need is just a single Allen wrench that comes with the kit. So to set this, what we recommend is you actually, if you purchase a zero clearance table insert, you'll go ahead and cut that complete first. If you're using your zero clearance table insert for cutting really wide boards, you'd cut all the way. But this particular setup is really only designed to be used in what they call the baseboard setting. And I'll let the camera guy come over here and show you where we have this machine set right now. We have it in the baseboard setting. You don't want this open when you're using the zero clearance fence because that's not the way it was designed to be worked. You're using the saw at the maximum height capacity, and you leave it in the number one position on this particular saw. So then I come down, if I don't have a table insert, and I make contact with that blade carbide tip, and I just back it off just a little bit. Right now I'm at 90 degrees. I should have mentioned that I want, in this particular case, these fences are designed to cut 90 degrees to the table from the blade. And so right now that's the way we send these out. These are perpendicular 90 degrees from that. So then I go ahead and I bring over my other one. You touch the tip of the carbide and just back it off a little bit. Go ahead and lock that in. Make sure that these are tight. Make sure that these can slide when these are tightened up. If they're not, it's a simple adding a little tape to get them so they'll slide to get the clearance they need. That is the zero clearance fences for the Delta Cruzer. If you like our videos, our content, subscribe and share. If you need the best, go with CFS. Thank you so much.